Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we're going to send out a single signal of a particular coin that you can buy and make money for yourself. So all you just need to do now is to urgently buy it when you just see this very video, or you can still wait to make your own research before you buy it. Okay, so in this very coin, if you have a lot of USDT on your wallet, you can use it in order for you to what, to make a rational profit quickly. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. I usually advise you that each time you want to buy a particular coin, you must have to check the data, and you check the 15 or 30 hours or 1 hour of how good the particular coin have been doing. All right, so let's quickly dive into that without a waste of time. So the coin I've made research of that we're going to buy today is called the SPK. Okay, it's called the SPK. The SPK is a very good coin that have been doing well, that have gone over 0.11 in the past 24 hours, and also has gone low of 0.092 in the past 24 hours, and each 24 hours turnover was over 2.75 million USD. That is a very good one, right? Okay, so all you just need to do is to look at this very coin carefully. Look at it 1 hour. Let's move the polygon band and look at it 1 hour. Has it been doing? It was actually doing well in the past 1 hour. All right, so what about the 4 hours? It was actually also doing well, but along the line it started declining, which was what brought it to 0.0941 today. Okay, so going back to the time or the 15 minutes, you can take a touch of the Bollinger Band to see how exactly it's going now. So the question is it the right coin to invest on now? Okay, if it is, then we can go further to look at this. We're going to look at this data. So looking at the data now, we can now see how many people are actually coming in and how many people are actually going out of this trade. So let's quickly dive into that to see. Now this is wow. I think it's a right time for us to dive into this particular cryptocurrency coin and also being very patient. Okay, and also be very patient. So you can see the inflow is over 323 million, and the outflow is over 165 million. You can see that the inflow is already defeating the outflow, and you can see in the green part is also going very great. You can see the green part is very high actually, and the outflow has becoming low. This is to tell you that a lot of people are coming into this trade than the people that are going out. So with this now, we can now go back to the chart in order for us to do an investment in this. So let's quickly check. I'm going to come to this place. No, I'll just use like a 50 USD. You can actually use more if you want to make more. Okay, use more if you want to make what, if you want to make more. All right, so I'm gonna going to like use 50 USD to purchase this very particular coin. All right, so I'll use 50 USD. So if I use 50 USD now, I'm going to leave it at a market because I want the trade to be executed instantly. And also don't forget, you have to set your stop loss and a lot more of them. So I'm going to click on buy. So if I click on buy, my trade is completely executed. So coming to the chart, I'm going to like click on the chart here. Okay, now I've seen the data. Okay, now I'm going to click on the chart. Okay, so now I'm here right here on the chart, and I'm going to like start tracking my trade. All right, so if you want to track your trade now, you can see, yes, actually I've purchased some volume of this particular coin. I purchased some volume of this particular coin at a market rate. So minus gas fee, you can see what is left for me, 49.981332. This left for me after minusing the gas fee of this particular coin. Okay, So we're gonna go into like wait actually, and when this very coin is in profit, we're gonna go into come back, and also shows us that yes, these predictions was right, and we made profit from the predictions. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.